Okay, so this will be my fourth example on the topic about arc length, circular segment, and area phase sector. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve word problem involving area phase sector. Example number 4 says, a sprinkler on a golf course is set to spray over a distance of 70 feet and rotates through an angle of 120 degrees. Find the area of the fairway watered by the sprinkler. So, ibig sabihin, kung nandito yung ating sprinkler, nagro-rotate siya pag 120 degrees. At ang layo niya is 170 feet, yung kanyang farthest distance na na-sprinkler. Okay? So, 70 feet yung kanyang radius. So, gawa tayong illustration. So, meron tayo dito ng sprinkler. Ayan, yung kanyang nawawater na area. Okay? Curve natin. Ayan. So, ito yung ating sprinkler. Nagro-rotate siya by 120 degrees. And yung kanyang distance ay 70 feet. So, yung kanyang radius. So, alamin natin yung area na natutubigan ng ating sprinkler dun sa golf course. So, ito. Okay. So, before we can solve for the area of the circular sector or sector, kina-convert muna natin yung angle or central angle na 120 degrees into radians. So, theta, 120 degrees multiplied by pi divided by 180 degrees. So, 126, 180 degrees multiplied by 60. So, 2 on top, 3 at the bottom. So, this is the angle in radian measure. So, the next is we can now solve for the area of the sector. The formula is A 1/2 R squared theta. Okay? And R is 70. So, plug in natin, 70 feet squared. At ang theta natin is in radian, 2 pi over 3. Okay? Using your scientific calculator, 1/2. Instead of 1/2, I'm going to use 0.5 times 70 squared times the fraction. On top is 2 times pi. At the bottom is 3. And then press equals. Our answer in fraction is 4,900 pi over 3 feet squared. Or in decimal, press S to D. So that is 5131.27 square feet. Okay? Okay. So that is our answer in example number 4, an application or a word problem involving area of a sector. So, ang natutubigan ng ating sprinkler ay yung area na 5,131.27 square feet. So, that is example number 4. So, I'm just going to give you another example, example number 5, on the topic about arc length, circular segment, and area of a sector. Thank you.